Ficus elastica, commonly called rubber tree plant, rubber fig, or Indian rubber tree, belongs to the Ficus genus in the Moraceae plant family, and is native to parts of South and Southeast Asia. 16 amazing benefits of rubber tree plants. 1. Air purification. NASA Clean Air study demonstrated that several plants, along with their roots, leaves, and associated microorganisms, can remove various toxins from air. Rubber tree plants, especially, cleans particles of formaldehyde from the air, in addition to eliminating other nasties like bacteria and molds from your indoor. 2. Rubber tree plants produce more oxygen than the other plants. 3. Use in feng shui. Large round leaves are preferable over sharp point leaves because large round ones soften a space and attract positive nourishing energy. 4. Low maintenance care. With due care and attention to their light preferences, watering needs, soil, and fertilizing habits, you should thrive just fine. 5. Ornamental value. These plants' tropical silhouettes add visual interest to empty corners and can warm up any room. 6. Easy to propagate. Rubber tree plants are easy to propagate from cuttings, which means you can fill your home with more rubber trees or give baby plants as a gifts to your friends and family. 7. Tolerates a variety of light conditions. Prefers to receive at least 6 hours of bright and direct sunlight daily, but they can tolerate a range of light conditions including artificial light. This makes them excellent addition to a low-light or windowless office. 8. Hypoallergenic. However, if you are an allergic to latex, rubber tree plants and their sap are a natural source of latex. 9. Drought resistant. Most can survive months in low-moisture drought-like conditions. 10. Therapeutic value. Rubber tree plants can help combat symptoms of depression, and improve mental health. 11. Boost productivity and improve memory. 12. Improve acoustic in the home. 13. Improve sleep. Rubber tree plants produces 6.3 times as much as oxygen, as carbon dioxide it releases at night. Keeping one in your room will increase oxygen level. Overall, and greater level of oxygen can improve your quality of sleep by helping brain remain in a state of deep, restorative sleep. 14. Anti-inflammatory properties. 15. Inexpensive. Rubber tree plants are common and inexpensive, making them affordable to obtain. 16. Living bridges. In some parts of India, where rubber tree plant grows natively, locals guide the roots of this giant tree over chasms, rivers and ravines to form natural, living bridges. Anchored by large rubber trees on their sides, these bridges are strong and enable people to cross safely. Plus, like an idea taken straight out of fairy tale, these natural rubber tree root bridges are absolutely gorgeous to admire. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.